Let's solve the problem on the family of circle. So property number 5 and 6 both are same, as you know that. It looks like same, but little equation is different, but solution is same. So I am going to give one example on this. So only one example I am going to explain, because both are looks like same. So find the equation of the circumscribing by the triangle whose sides are given. So what is he saying here? Triangle lines are given. One is the line name is, I can take as x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us take this is L3 line, and this is L1 line. Let us consider this is 3x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. And L2 line, let us consider that is 5x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0. So L1, L2, L3 I wrote. L1, L2, L3 I wrote. Now we have the condition that you all knows that the condition for becoming the family of circle is that, what is the formula? What is the condition? L1, L2 plus lambda times L2, L3 plus mu times L1, L3 is equal to 0. Let us substitute here. So let me substitute here. So L1 is here, you know this here, 3x minus y minus 9. This is L1. And L2 is here 5x minus 3y minus 23 plus lambda times L2. L2 is here 5x minus 3y minus 23. L3 x plus y minus 3 plus mu into L1 3x minus y minus 9. L3 x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is what you got the equation of the circle, isn't right? Everyone understood? So now what do you do here? We multiply these both. So we multiply these both. I write here, I multiply the first both equations. See here, if you are multiplying this, it takes a lot of time. So consider what is x square you are getting. This if I multiply, I am getting x square. This I am multiplying, I am going to get x square. This I am multiplying, I am going to get x square. Am I right? So make it as x square group. So what is the x square group I am going to get here? What is the 5 3 is the 15, isn't right? Here first one I am going to get here, x square group is, see look at here, I am looking here like this, 3 5 is the 15x 15, and next what I am going to get here, like here 5 into 1 5 lambda I am going to get, and then here 3 into 1 that is 3 mu. Plus 3 mu I am going to get, this is x square. So this logically you multiply like this. Okay, don't do whole calculation, that takes a lot of time to cover it, right? Thereafter you write the y's means this y, this into this y square, and here y, this you look at that y square which is going to get, that is you multiply. So what I am going to get, 3 minus 3 lambda minus mu into y square I will get. How you get this y into this one, and this y into this one, and this y into y. So that way you are going to get it. Okay, then you multiply xy terms. Xy, how you get? This into this here, x into y, y into x. So that's what you have to do it. So xy terms I am going to get as, what I am going to get here, 2 lambda plus 2 mu, okay, 2 mu minus 14 I am going to get here from the first one. Okay, so then after you can go for the next one. What I am going to get here, x into y over, then you can take only x means what? Constant into x in all the place. So constant into x, what I am going to get here, 114 plus 38 lambda plus 18 mu I am going to get it. 18 mu I am going to get it. And then you can take the y also, y into 50 minus 14 lambda minus 6 mu I am going to get. So constant into constant, if you multiply you get constant. So this into this like that. So constant I am going to get how much? I am going to get constant is 207 plus 69 lambda plus 27 mu. But here this whole thing no need to do for JEE, because I need only coefficient of x square and coefficient of xy. These all the nonsense, x and y is not required, constant is not required. So don't do that and don't waste that time. Just I wrote for your sake. But I do what here? If I do it, I multiply only x square terms, I multiply only y square terms, then I multiply xy combination, and I see that xy must be 0. So coefficient of the condition is that coefficient of xy must be 0. So here if I make coefficient of xy is equal to 0, what I am going to get here? Lambda plus mu minus 7 is equal to 0 I am going to get, because here coefficient of xy is this, and I have taken 2 common in this. So 2 you can divide by 2. 2 lambda plus 2 mu minus 14 equal to 0. Coefficient of xy 0. 2 lambda plus 2 mu minus 14 is equal to 0. But I divide by 2 both sides. So lambda plus mu minus 7 is equal to 0. From this I got lambda mu is equal to 7. This is one equation. Coefficient of xy I made it 0. So I made it 0, I divided by 2 on both sides because I have 0, 0 by 2 is 0. So coefficient of xy is make it 0, I got it. Now what I will do here, coefficient of x square is equal to y square. I will get one more equation, both you solve, you will get the answer, that is your requirement. Now I am going to make coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square here. Coefficient of x square is, that is nothing but here you got here coefficient of x square and you got here coefficient of y square, both you can equate them. So what I get here, 5 lambda plus 3 mu plus 15 is equal to 3 minus 3 lambda minus mu. You got coefficient of x square equal to y square, that is 2 lambda plus mu plus 3 is equal to 0 if you simplify. This is the second equation, this is the first equation. Solve 1 and 2, everyone can do it. So if you solve 1 and 2, what you are going to get here? Lambda value you are going to get minus 10, mu value you are going to get 17. That you have to substitute in the equation which you have in the condition. What is the condition you have? Condition was L1 L2 plus lambda times L2 L3 plus mu times L1 L3 is equal to 0. In this you can substitute, or you can do one more thing, you can substitute this last step. This one is the last step we got, right? You can see according to the options you have to do it. This last step, what you got in this step, if in this step you substitute lambda equal to minus 10, mu is equal to 17, so you are going to get the answer. If the answer in this shape, L1 into L2 plus sometimes like minus 10 times L2 into L3 plus 17 times L1 into L3 equal to 0, then answer is like this. But if they given complete equation, what you do here, lambda equal to minus 10, mu is equal to 17, here you substitute and simplify, you are going to get the answer is 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x plus 11y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the answer for the equation of the circle. Same way we will do for quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is more easy than this triangle, because quadrilateral equation is very smaller equation. So that will give you more easy answer. So this is the way we have done, and we have completed a circle topic as well as ellipse. Today we have completed circle, today we have completed ellipse, all binomial theorem completed. So almost JEE 100% I completed except 2 chapters, hyperbola and solution of triangles. Hyperbola and solution of triangles, out of 8 question papers you get 1 question. Solution of triangles also like that one. So these 2 topics are very minor topics. They may ask in exam, they may not ask in exam. You cannot expect question from hyperbola and like solution of triangles. But even though I am going to start from tomorrow I'll start solution of triangles. I'll complete the chapter in 4 to 5 days. Then I'll start hyperbola, that is also I'll complete in 4 to 5 days, not maximum that. So after this I am going to give you a revision plan for you how to prepare for JEE mains for 2021, and as well already I have posted a video on that, the whole weightage of whole JEE chapter wise weightage I posted live, 50 minutes live in live lecture. I posted that complete JEE previous year like chapter wise weightage, and I explained especially algebra topic wise analysis, subtopic wise which chapters are asking more questions, that I explained. And then I am going to give you algebra and I am going to give you vector 3D topic wise, subtopic wise, which subtopic they are asking more questions. So that I will give you, and trigonometry also I will give trigonometry, vector, 3D and calculus related topic wise how much questions they are asking, like subtopic wise, means in that which subtopic they are asking more questions I am going to give you tomorrow. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.